Guys, my name is Akira, and today, using this beautiful Cricut blank, we're going to be making a t-shirt in under 10 minutes. Using my Explore 3, I'm going to show you how easy it is to go into Design Space, pick a design, and make a t-shirt. Whether you're a soccer mom, you want to make something for a girls' night out, or just want to make a design for you to wear on a beautiful day like today, I'm going to show you how easy this is and how you can do this in under 10 minutes. So let's go into Design Space, create our design, and let's get to making this t-shirt. Up a new page in Design Space, and first thing we're going to do is go ahead and go over to images. As you can see, Cricut has over 300,000 images that you can choose from. I'm going to go to phrases because I want to add a phrase onto my t-shirt. As you can see, there's so many different items to choose from. I'm going to go to my items I already have bookmarked because I always save things that I really like here. I'm going to use this Be Kind to Your Mind image. I think it's really cool and it will look really nice on a t-shirt. I'm going to go ahead and resize this, and as you can see, the numbers change as you move it. I'm going to go ahead and resize this to a good size for a t-shirt. And the next thing, and it's so simple, all you're going to do is hit Make It. I'm going to send this over to my Explore 3, and since I'm using smart vinyl, I'm going to use this without a mat. You're also going to make sure to mirror this, and let's get started with sending this over to the Cricut. So now that everything is cut with the Explore 3, I'm going to go ahead and weed this design. I usually start from a letter that I can find and peel it to the widest part. And then it goes pretty smoothly from here. And just be careful to make sure you're not missing any letters when you're weeding. This whole part is blank, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that and then continue weeding my letters. And now I'm just weeding my individual letters. You want to make sure that everything is weeded properly before you press it onto your t-shirt, because once it's pressed, that is going to be it. And I always double check to make sure that I didn't miss anything. And as you can see here, the little piece on the E that's still there that I have to weed. And now it's time to press our design onto the shirt. So now I'm going to preheat the shirt at 315 for 30 seconds, and I got that heat setting using the Cricut heat guide. Now with the t-shirt prepared, I'm just going to go ahead and reshift it one more time because it's nice and flat and ready. Now that I've preheated the shirt at 315 degrees for 30 seconds, I'm going to go ahead and place my design on the left-hand side. And again, guys, 10-minute project. I'm going to go ahead and place my butcher paper on top, and we're going to again press this for 315 for 30 seconds. Now once it's cool to the touch, you want to go ahead and peel off your backing. And now we have a fully completed t-shirt in under 10 minutes. Just like that, I was able to make this beautiful t-shirt in under 10 minutes with my Explore 3. And you can do it too. This is a fun and easy project you can make. You can whip it up in Design Space, pull out your Cricut and press this in under 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this project and I can't wait to see what you guys make.